How to create a round profile picture in Gimp. First, you need to open the image that you wish to create a profile image from. First, you need to come here and you need to right click here and then click here on Ellipse Select Tool. And now you can select this image. Okay, just drag it like this. And as you can see, you can select the image. You can just drag these handles here. If you wish a perfect circle, you can either give it exact dimensions, for example 800 by 800, and when I press enter, and here you can see now it is a perfect circle. But if you don't want to do that, you wish to add size manually, you can click here on fixed aspect ratio, and then here you can add 1:1. As you can see, now it is a perfect circle, and you can enlarge this circle and it will always stay perfect circle. So what you need to do next, you need to click here on select, then click here on invert, and then simply press delete on your keyboard. As you can see, you removed background. So what you need to do next, here you can see you have a lots of this transparent part of the image. So you need to click here on image and then click here on crop to content, and here you can see now you have only this image here. So when I click here on select none, here you can see this is how it looks. All you have to do now is just click here on file, and then click here on export as, and export this as a PNG. So this is how you create a round profile picture in Gimp.